Thank you, Dr. Kapoor, for your kind and loving words. Honored guests and invitees, President Dr. Kishore Adyanta, immediate past President Dr. Ajay Haryani, Team AMC, dear AMC members, ladies and gentlemen. I am overwhelmed and deeply touched by the elaborate acknowledgement of my humble contribution to the growth and development of the Association of Medical Consultants. I accept this award with a great sense of pride and humility since it has been given to me by the association which I served for nearly 3 decades. My thoughts today as I stand before you are of deep gratitude and thankfulness that I had the opportunity to serve patients and various medical organizations in whatever capacity I could. Being a doctor has been a process of self-realization for me, seeing human sufferings closely, and when you are able to help someone's pain, it feels you are chosen by God to do some of His work. Ladies and gentlemen, receiving this award means a great deal to me, and I will forever treasure the beautiful sentiments behind it. I am grateful to AMC for honoring me, and I thank them from the bottom of my heart. I also thank each every one of you present here for being a part of this occasion, which is memorable for me and my family. This association is unique as it is all inclusive in composition. Consultants from across the entire spectrum of medical specialties, all coming under a single umbrella on a single platform, dealing with the problems faced by consultants in their medical practice in day in and day out. I have lived my life with the belief that nothing is impossible. I somehow never see difficulties. I only see how best we can get something done. To quote Dr. Deepak Chopra, you must find the place inside yourself where nothing is impossible. Awards may hold different significance for different people. For me, I am able to inspire young doctors to give of themselves selflessly, sometimes even against all odds, such as personal, health and social issues, as most doctors do. I can safely say I have achieved something in life. To live such a life is a reward in itself. For the immense satisfaction you experience is difficult to explain in words. An important component of the law of dharma is service to humanity. To serve your fellow human beings and also ask yourself the questions, how can I help? How can I help all those that I come in touch with or contact with? When you combine the ability to express your unique talent with service to humanity, then you make use of the law of dharma. I must confess that this award does not belong to me alone. My Sheriff Award is a small one, and there are several others to whom this award belongs legitimately. It is impossible to name and thank each one of them, but I wish to acknowledge a few. I first thank God for having me a role model in my father, Dr. N.V. Suchak, from whose extraordinary and multifaceted life I learned leadership, organizational skill, sincerity, hard work, generosity, service to humanity, and compassion. He was a great visionary. He was a noble doctor who never refused a call from a patient or anybody in need. He never kept his phone on the side. He used to attend any call from anybody. A good part of this award belongs also to my wife Abha, without whose contribution I would not be standing before you today. Over the long years, she partnered me in my belief and work and supported me with her tremendously inner strength and stood by me with great patience and understanding. I cannot thank her enough except to say, I owe this award to you. Thank you, Abba. I must also recognize the contribution of my son, Dr. Surat Suchak, and my daughter, Tui Signal, who unconditionally worked with me in any and every endeavor I undertake for the public cause. I will just mention Dr. Kapoor, or somebody mentioned about the earthquake at Bhuj, Kutch, and I had the opportunity to go. We just decided we need to fly, and immediately my son came. He said, I want to go with you. He was, I think, doing his internship or something like that. He worked day in and day out. In the camps, all the patients were put and all, and he was working as a nurse, as a ward boy, everything. It was unbelievable. So I think that such people will learn and continue our legacy. I would also thank my late brother, Dr. Ashok Suchak, and my sister-in-law, Dr. Amita Suchak, and niece Tina Suchak for their love and support. The next person I would like to thank is the person who introduced me to the association, Dr. Lalit Kapoor. He is the man who nurtured, guided, and brought up this association to this great height. Thank you, Dr. Kapoor, for all your efforts. I want to thank everyone who stood by me. We are at the end what we are because of people in our lives, families, friends, colleagues, staff, who help us run our establishments, and even patients and our acquaintance. They all come to teach us and enhance our qualities. I cannot forget the invaluable contribution of our past presidents, Dr. Surabai Sheth, Dr. C.L. Javeri, Dr. J. Kothari, Dr. Lalit Kapoor, and others. Each one of the following presidents, in their individual capacities, successfully took the association to next higher level. I also recognize the contribution of several members in the managing committee and also of the various committees who worked sincerely with the sole aim of carrying AMC forward. Every life has a purpose and God has a vision for each one of us. Let us use that to dream it, to desire it, and to achieve it. I thank you again for this award because it encourages me to run on and see that what I can do next. Thank you one and all for sharing my special moment tonight. Thank you very much. And I would also like to thank Dr. Ajay Kothari, who was almost like a founder member for the AMC, for coming specially to bless me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for these inspirational words. It's indeed a great day for the AMC to honor a dynamic leader like yourself. May I wish Dr. Anil Suchak and his family all the very best for the future. And let us all give him a generous round of applause once again.